Welcome to my channel Career Zone. Today I am going to discuss about the nested list, superscript and subscript tag and the use of comment tag in our HTML web page. So let us begin with the topic. Nested list. Nested list is simply said to be a list which occurs as an element of another list. So it means if you write any particular element of a list to another list, it means you have created a UL tag and in which you have written some elements, and inside that element you have again created an OL tag. So that will be called as a nested list. You can see an example here where an unordered list item fruit is created, under which another UL tag is opened, which is where bananas and apples are written, within inside which again a UL tag is open and green and red is written. So this is how you can create a list within the list. It will be more clear when you will look at the example. So I'm going to show you now the video in which we will create the nested list. So let us begin with the video and see how to create a nested list. First we will write no HTML on the top of the notepad. So I have written here the heading as nested lists. Now I have opened the title tag, which I have written use of lists in HTML. Close the title tag and then close the head tag. So in the body tag, I'm going to create a list. So I'm writing here streams available as the heading. Then I am opening a OL tag. I have not defined the attribute which is start and type of OL tag, because this is the, you can say by default it will be numbered. So let us see how it works. So I'm going to write here science, and under this I will create a nested list, which I have not closed this OL tag, however li will be closed, and I am opening here the unordered list, under which I am writing the line item. First writing PCM and second I am writing PCB. So this is the line item closed. So I'm going to close the UL here, then I will close the OL. So as I have closed the UL first of all and then OL, so this UL tag as it is opened under this line item, so it is going to be shown under this, because these are the values of science. Going to close the body tag and then I will close the HTML tag. Let me save this file with nested list.html. So let me show you the output. I will increase the size so that you can see it in a better form. See, this is the head nested list. Streams available I have written under the body tag. They are coming in one line because I have not used the BR tag here or the P tag. And here I have written open the OL tag. By default it is numbered, so that one number has come already, and this is the UL tag unordered lists. Okay, so if you want to change anything, suppose I want to write the start and type value. So suppose I want to give the type as Roman number and start as the 1. So how it is going to change? See, I want to make one thing clear, that whenever you give the any of the type like Roman number or alphabetical number, here the start value will always be in number. If you want to start it from fourth number or fifth number, you have to give here 4. For example, I want to start from D, so I will give here the alphabetical type A and start 4. So what it is going to do, it will start the numbers from 4th D. See, and if I want to define the unordered list type also, type is equal to, for example, circle or maybe square. Then I will save it. Let's see how it is changing. Same goes with if you want to add another list here. So after closing this UL, before the closure of OL, as here it is only one line item is given, so I will define again the line item as suppose commerce, and going to close the line item here. Under this I will again define UL. For example, type is equal to disk, and then line item, you can say under commerce I can define like with math subject or without math subject. Okay, so let us save this and execute. See how it is working. So this has come under here, this OL tag. This is the OL tag where the numbering is going, and here the nested list is created under within the OL tag. So here if you want to give the difference, you can write here, open the BR tag here and save it, execute it. So it will come under the next line. This is how we can use the, you can say that, use of nested list. Unordered and ordered list we have already seen. So this is how the nested list works. See, if you want to create another ordered list within the ordered list, you can do it anytime. For example, here you can write OL and type is equal to maybe A, and close this OL here. Don't open the UL. So when you save it, see, it will work here. So you can create UL under OL or OL under the UL tag, both. So I hope you have understood this nested list. So now let us see the use of superscript and subscript tag. What is superscript tag? Superscript tag defines the text which need to be appear half a character above the normal line. It means if you want to write some text above the normal line, it will be written in a smaller font, and that text will be called as superscript text. Example you can see here, that how the if I want to write a formula like a square plus b square, if where 2 is written in a small font above the normal text, it will be written in a superscript tag. It means SUP tag. It is a container tag which is required to be open and closed both. So what is subscript tag? Subscript tag allows you to write any particular number or a particular alphabet or a letter below the normal line. Suppose if we write any chemical formula like H2O, where 2 needs to be written below H, so subscript tag will be very helpful in writing the formulas like H2O or H2SO4, any science formulas where few text are written below the normal line. Use of superscript and subscript will be more clear when you will look at the video. So let us begin with the video now. So now I'll show you the use of superscript and subscript. Along with it, I'm going to show you the use of comment tag as well. Superscript and subscript tag. Writing the title here, practice, and open the close the title tag, then close the head tag, open the body tag. So I'm writing here using the BR tag because the head will be shown along with the information written inside the body tag. So I'm going to open the BR tag and I am writing here superscript. How to write? Again open the BR tag here so that there will be a difference. Suppose I want to write the maths formula, So I want to write, suppose a square plus b square, so I will write here a. Whatever text you want to be on the top of the any particular alphabet, so you have to open the sup tag, write the number within it. So sup means superscript, so this 2 will go, as you know that the text which is the number, the alphabet which is written within the sup tag, it is displayed on the top of the line. So 2 will go up, or it will be shown at the top. And then I will write b square, so I have written plus b. And then under the sup again I will write 2 because I want it to be displayed on the top of b. Then I am using the br tag. Why? Because I am now showing you the subscript tag, so I will write the coding of the subscript tag. If I will not use br, then it is going to confuse you, because browser will display all the output in the same line. So that is why it is beneficial for writing the or using br tag every time when you change the line, so that it makes a difference when the output is displayed and you are able to understand what the output is showing. So I've written h, then sub 2, and then sub close. So sub tag is for showing subscript. I am writing here the formula of science, or you can say it is the H2O, means water. So I have written h, and 2 will go on the bottom of the line, so I have written 2 within the sub tag. Now I am going to close the body and HTML tag, and will save the file to show you the output. So you can save it, and then go to your desktop, double click the file and open it. Let's see, going to increase the size so that you are able to see the output in a better way. See how it is showing the head, after that the superscript heading, the number 1, and then I have used the br tag, so a square plus b square is displayed, and then again after changing the line the subscript is displayed. H2O, in this O I have missed, so that is why it is not displaying O. So we will open the both screen together, and I'll make the changes and save the file. See, write the O after closing of sub tag, because I want the O to be displayed after the 2. So wherever you have closed the sub tag, there you have to go and write the O, and then save it, and again refresh your web page. So see how the output has changed, and I hope you have understood this, that how to use the superscript and subscript. This all depends upon the requirement. Whenever you design your web page, wherever you want the text to be displayed like this, you can use these tags. Okay, so practice these tags at home. And now we will see the use of comment tag. What is comment tag? As I have told you that it is basically used for the better understanding of the program, non-executable or non-readable by the browser. The syntax I have opened here: exclamation mark, 2 hyphen mark, and then comment, and 2 hyphen mark, and close. See, even after refreshing, there is no output shown in the web page. Whatever text you write within the syntax, it means within the exclamation mark and the 2 hyphen mark, it is not going to show any output in the web browser. Okay, because this is only for your understanding, to make your program more readable by you, more understandable by you, but it is not readable by the web browser, so it's not going to give you any output. See, what is comment tag? It is basically used to insert the comment inside the source code. User can see the comment inside the source code, but it is not visible in the browser, because it is not displayed in the browser. It is used for basically the better understanding of the program. The syntax of the comment is exclamation mark 2 hyphen mark, and you can write the comment then 2 hyphen mark again and close the angle bracket. So this is how you can write the comment. I have already shown you in the video. If you have liked my video, then subscribe to my channel Career Zone, press the bell icon and do share it so that other can also watch it. If you want me to make a video on any particular topic related to computer, you can write in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.